Blessed. Yeah, man. Yeah, the mix up. All right. So when a lot of people always say to you, say you have to balance, you're not balanced. You're off key, and you need to balance yourself. You really don't understand maybe what they're trying to tell you. So now we're gonna kind of jump on the topic there a little bit to kind of have a quick insight of what they're trying to tell you. See, your pathway in life is you're not following your pathway in life. You're on another road, another journey by itself where it's not gonna get you nowhere. So you have to come back aligned with yourself. That's the only way you're going to balance. Yes, you might reach where you want to reach in life, but the work and the headache and the pain that you're going to have to go through, which you could resist all of that when you align with yourself. Now, understanding align with yourself, your life path is your purpose. Where is your life path really supposed to chat? You don't know, but you want to know. It's within you. Within you. That's where all the answers and all the questions is. And you can, no matter how many questions you put inside of you, you're gonna get the answer. You're going to get the result. And this goes right back to, as I was saying in a previous video, you have to sit down and relax your mind and just listen to your chattered mind. And to the things where your chattered mind surface, whether it's negative or positive. These are blockage. So you have to clear these program, because you notice how you catch yourself listening to your chattered mind talking. Yes, these are blockage. So if you have that autopilot in a way where it's just pouring out pure negative, you need to change it. And how you change it? You have to start to think positive. Think positive about yourself. Go within yourself. That's why it's very important to have meditation and all these things. You understand what I say? Cut off of the third world living, meaning third world energy, where most of it, we just looking at things and just want everything, but we just don't know the real meaning behind life. We have to take that time out, because when you get everything you want in the world, guess what? It's not gonna hold you, because you want more. And the more what you're searching for is within you. You understand what I say? You have to find it within you. So it's just a quick basic message, you know what I mean? And it's just to see who it resonates with, The Star Seed once again, you are the mix up and thing. Big up yourself. Bless.